The STIHL RE 150 Plus is our top-of-the-range pressure washer in Great Britain and is ideal for heavy-duty domestic and lighter commercial applications, such as use around the farm or stables. Designed to be flexible, the RE 150 Plus offers a robust and powerful performance, as well as complete control over how it's used, thanks to separate controls for pressure and flow rate and detergent dosage. A tough induction motor, brass pump head and stainless steel piston is also used to provide durability for extended use. The RE 150 Plus features a soft grip and rotating spray lance for comfort over long periods. It can be easily adjusted to suit the cleaning task at hand. In addition, the quick connection system allows you to get the machine up and running in next to no time. Other features include a 12-metre steel reinforced anti-twist high-pressure hose, quick release couplings, and an integrated hose reel to easily wind up the hose for neat storage. The rotary and adjustable jet nozzles can be quickly switched over depending on the job you are doing and can be stored here in this built-in storage compartment. There's also a neat integrated detergent tank here. The RE 150 Plus also has an aluminium telescopic handle for simple transportation and storage. A wide range of accessories are compatible for use with the RE 150 Plus, including a foam nozzle designed specifically for this model, which is ideal for cleaning vehicles. For more information, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.